This is just the beginning.
If you are in the market for a media streamer, you are probably thinking Apple TV 4K or Nvidia Shield TV Pro. And the former was just refreshed in 2021 with a whole host of new features.
This is just the beginning.
Hello and welcome to ArtXT. This is Anuraj. Before we dive in, I do think Apple TV 4K is a better choice for the masses, as it works right out of the box with minimal technical know-how. But if you are someone who likes tech and is not afraid to get your hands wet, you should keep watching. It's been almost 2 years since Nvidia released their last iteration of Shield TV. So a newer model should be right around the corner. With that in mind, should you get a Shield TV Pro in 2021? Well, if you ask me, the short answer is yes. And here are the 5 reasons why I think it's still worth buying even in 2021. Reason number 1, video and audio codecs. Shield TV Pro can play almost anything you throw at it, as it supports a variety of video and audio codecs. The Shield supports Dolby True HD and DTS-X pass-through, which elevates the audio quality if you have a high-end home theater system. There is a big difference in the audio quality when listening to Dolby Atmos using True HD compared to streaming-friendly codecs like EAAC+. So, if you have invested in a high-end audio setup, connecting the Shield TV Pro directly to your AVR will let you get the best quality audio due to its ability to pass through true Blu-ray-like audio. Reason number 2, AI upscaling. AI upscaling is the most underrated feature on the Shield TV Pro. It is quite a useful feature to have if you own a large screen TV, say 65 inches or above. Sad to say, most of the content out there still is 1080p or less, even in 2021. AI upscaling helps to enhance HD videos by making it crisper and cleaner on a larger 4K screen. To my eyes, it makes 1080p feel more like 1440p, and this makes a visible difference on a 65-inch TV. 60 frames per second videos are now officially supported after a recent update from Nvidia. It will work with resolutions starting from 360p all the way up to 1440p. Reason number 3, always on Plex media server. Plex is a client-server media player platform which organizes audio, video, and photos from a user's collection and streams it to the players. While Plex Player is available in Apple TV, it can't be used as a server. If you have a collection of, say, Blu-rays and you want to build a media library of your own, simply digitize your media collection, copy it to an external hard disk drive, plug it to the Shield, and add your media to Plex server. Now, you will be able to stream your movies on your iPads and your laptops without copying the files manually. Reason number 4, NAS device. Since Shield comes with 2 USB ports for expansion, it can be connected to big external hard drives. Enabling share files over network will give you a do-it-yourself NAS server with minimal investment. Files can be accessed in iOS, Mac, and PC, and it is reliable enough to be used as a main NAS device if you just want a place to store files. Hard drives up to 8 TB has been tested, and it seems to work fine for me. Reason number 5, Android. Compared to Apple TV, Shield has proper file management as it runs Android. Apps like Explore can be downloaded from the Play Store, which in itself has so many useful features, including standalone FTP server. Side-loading apps is still allowed in Android, and it can be useful in case an app is not available in Play Store in a particular region. For the gamers out there, GeForce Now can be useful. Apple TV app is available in Shield TV, enabling access to all of the original programming from Apple in full quality. These are the 5 reasons why I think Shield is a good buy even in 2021. I understand that not everyone will be interested in these features, and if what I said sounded like meaningless gibberish to you, then by all means get an Apple TV 4K. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
This is just